The main method is the entry point of a C# program. When the program starts, it is the first method invoked. A project can have only one entry point, which is defined by a single main method. The main method must be declared inside a class or struct and must be static. The main method can be declared with or without a string parameter that contains command line arguments. The file name and class name do not need to be named program. The entry point is defined by the main method, not the file or class name. You don't have to explicitly include a main method in a program. Top-level statements allow you to write executable code directly at the root of a file, eliminating the need to wrap your code in a class or method. The compiler automatically generates a program class and an entry point method for you. Top-level statements simplify writing basic programs, making it easier for new C# programmers to start learning and coding. You can pass arguments manually by running the compiled program from the integrated terminal.